Good evening, gents. So, as promised, I'm sharing an update on where we are with the Proteus proof of concept. The top left of the screen is the demo application. The bottom left is the blockchain that I've been using to test it. The top right is the core logic and the core code for the Proteus app, and the bottom right is an additional node of the blockchain. So we'll start off. The initial thinking is you start off by launching a project. And so there's a simple process to create a project. Let's call that Proteus 1 as the name of the project. And the name of the developer is Proteus. I'm on the top left now. We click Create Project. And we see that if we look at the top right of the screen, we can see that a new project was initiated. It has the details of the project, including a name of developer, project ID, and a project status. And it automatically opens up the project phases for this particular project. And we can see that all of that is pending. Now, if there's anyone subscribed to this channel on the blockchain, they immediately get this update that a new project has been created and that the project pool has been updated. You can see that in the bottom left, and you can see that in the node that's also running in the bottom right. Now, let's say we want to initiate multiple projects at the same time. So we go back to the top left, and we edit the name of this project to project 2 and the name of the developer to beta, and we click on create project. Now we come back to the top right, and you can see that a new project has been initiated. Same thing, it includes all of the information for this project, and you have that update. And then we come to the bottom left, and you can see that the project pool has been updated. So there is project 1, and you scroll down, and there is project 2. There's project 2. So the second message was published to the network. And you come to the bottom right, to the node that is running the blockchain, and you can see that that update is reflected. They've received an update that there is a project 2 that's also been initiated. Now, naturally, once all of these projects are initiated, the different developers will be working on different aspects of the development phase, and would ideally want to demonstrate or show to the network on chain what's happening through all of those phases. And so we go back to the top left of the screen, and we click on the development phase. And here, whoever's responsible for a particular project will be able to select that specific project, which that function has not been implemented yet, but they'll be able to select a specific project and then select where they are on that in that process, upload whatever documents they need to demonstrate that they're done with that process, and then submit that information to the network. Now we move to the top right, and you can see that that information has been updated. So the LAN tenor has been updated, and the step has been completed. The document showing that has been received. Now, the next step will be that once that is made, it automatically updates for project 1 the land tenor. So we go up to project 1, and it automatically updates the point on the land tenor to show that that step has been completed. And then, of course, the idea being, as each of these steps is completed, submit, it automatically updates until everything in the list is completed, and then it pushes that project out from the project pool into a second pool where Proteus then does its verifications. So this is where we are at the moment.